Hey everyone, Lisa with Power Wash Store of Central PA. We're getting ready to send off one of our custom made skids here. This one is actually one of the smaller skids. This is a mid-size skid, so the footprint is going to be 48 wide by 56 long. Customer just had a smaller truck, so a full drop-in skid 6 or 8 foot was just out of the question for this situation, so he went with the smaller unit. Just because of the size doesn't mean you don't have a lot of cleaning power in here. We have both a pressure washer and a soft wash system in here. Pressure washer is down here. It's one of our water dragon units. It has the Honda GX630 on there. It's an Udar pump, and it has this is a gear driven unit. Right beside that's going to be your 11-gallon fuel tank. Behind there is your battery box for your electric start. Our tanks, we have a 20-gallon soap tank, which was a request by the customer. Then we have 55-gallon for water and 55-gallon for bleach. Up front here, the star of our show is the proportioner, which is our mixing system here that's going to make it easy for you to dial in your mix. Depending on what you want to clean, you just turn a dial and your mix comes out all ready to go for you. Over on this side, the ball valves here, ball valve that's on the table, that one is just going to be for your flush valve for the proportioner. So whenever you're finished each time, you turn that ball valve to flush water through that system to clear the bleach. And then this other ball valve that's mounted here, that one is actually a bleach fill line. So you can fill your bleach tank without removing the lid, which is best for the equipment. It's going to make the equipment last longer just because you're not taking the lid off and spilling bleach everywhere. Over on this side, customer opted just for one shelf on here. Over on this side, we have our 12-volt system. This is the Gen 3 system. It's a dual 12-volt pump. There's 6 gallons per minute. The one is your working pump, the other is just a backup. They both have their on-off switches right there on the aluminum mounting bracket, and then there is a fuse reset there as well. We have 250 feet of 1/2-inch Curry Tech with soft washing gun, and over here we have our 200 feet of high pressure hose and 100 foot of 3/4 Flexzilla hose. I want to point out here too, these are our new hose reels. These are the Water Dragon brand hose reels. Just to give you a look here, and you can't see because the hose is loaded up here, but they do also have a stainless steel manifold as opposed to the PVC manifolds that are on some other hose reels. Also, what's nice about this is the manifold actually goes through this whole side panel here. Instead of sitting on top of that panel, that manifold is going to go directly through there, just making the whole reel a little bit more stable. Then you have your lock on here. Top one does not have a swivel because we bypassed that hose reel just to cut down the restriction of filling your water tank. And then down here is the swivel that comes with these hose reels. That's actually a Water Dragon swivel there as well. So we have these hose reels. This is the 12-inch. We also have these in 18. We have 22s, and we have 8-inch reels as well. Going back to the skid here, our skids are constructed with the diamond plate, the full diamond plate skid base with the fork pockets for easily moving this in and out of a vehicle. Our skids also are constructed with these custom stainless steel brackets and stainless steel hardware, which is going to make this skid outlive probably most of the equipment that's sitting on it. Power Wash Store Central PA. If you're interested in a build like this or something else, please give me a call, 717-378-2276. Thanks so much and have a great day.